Hi, I'm Paresh, the co-founder of BoloForms, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use BoloForms to add a Google Form timer. Firstly, I need you to install the BoloForms add-on from this link. You can click on install and it should be installed. Now you can go back to your form and then click on add-ons button and open timer plus Proctor for Google Forms slash proctored exams. This is basically the BoloForms add-on. And after you open it, it will ask you to add a Google Sheet to your Google form. So it is fairly simple to do it. Click on responses and here click on sheet icon. Click on create and that's it. That's what you need to do in order to use BoloForms. Now come back to the form and refresh the form once. Again, go to add-ons, open the BoloForms add-on, and now BoloForms will be unlocked for you. In this video, we just want to enable the timer. So let us turn on the timer setting, and then there are two authentication types over here. Either you can have Google sign in as the authentication method, which we highly recommend given all the features that we are going to build in the future, which will prevent students from cheating. Or you can have a simpler just using their name as a authentication method. So for this purpose, we'll have Google sign in as the authentication method, and let us click on save settings. So the form is saved. Now let us go to the timer. Over here, you can give certain time to the test, let us say 5 minutes, and you can add any instructions that you want over here. Now you can click on form opens at, and this basically means when should your Google form actually be open for all the students. So it should be open at, let us say, 6th of June, and form must be started before. So this basically means all your students must start your form before what date. So let us say they should start the form before October 20th, and over here let us click on save. So the form has been saved. Now what we have to do is we have to go to the home section, scroll down, copy this BoloForms link. The link is copied. Now let us go and paste it in the browser and check whether it is working or not. So allowed time is 5 minutes, and we gave some random instructions at the end that is also showing up. So now your student will sign in through Google, and they'll sign in through their Gmail account, and boom, the test is now open for them. It is fairly simple process of authentication. It is one click, so your students will not require any additional help over here. They have done this multiple times, so they can just fill in the test as per their convenience and click on next. Over here there is the fingerprint section, so we automatically generate a unique fingerprint and fill it for the student. The student does not need to do anything, they just have to click on submit. So their response has been recorded. Now let us go back to our Google Sheet and check out where the response is recorded. So over here you can see that the submission time is 4 minutes early. The students have submitted 4 minutes early, and all the details are coming over here. Also the fingerprint is also coming over here. So now if you want to see in the dashboard, in the BoloForm dashboard, how does this user look like, you can click on the dashboard link, and over here we have certain anomalies that if a student cheats on a test, it should be shown over here. But since this is just a time form, there is no anomaly found. But if you have a proctored form, there will be various anomalies found if the student cheats or tries to cheat in the exam. So that is it for this video. In case you require any other guide videos, you can just go into the Google form and open the BoloForms add-on, and you can just go to any timer setting or proctor setting, and you can just click on help. In the help section, we will have all the detailed guide videos as well as textual explanations. Thanks a lot.